Hi everyone. So for today's tutorial, I want just to get started with downloading the software that'll be required for this module. So to do so, on your laptop or PC, go to the website above. If you are having trouble finding this, just Google Anaconda download. Once you locate this page, click on download the Anaconda installer. Okay, and then what you are looking for is this page here, install Anaconda. Okay, now depending on what your system is, if you have a 64-bit or you have a 32-bit, install the relevant one. If you're not sure what your computer is, just Google "is my PC 64-bit" and you'll find instructions to guide you there. So just click onto the link and then this will download in the background. Okay, I already have it downloaded, so I won't complete the download process. Once it is downloaded, you will find it appear in your downloads folder. Okay, and then just double click on it and follow the installation procedures. That's it. Thank you now.